Now a corollary. Corollary is the statement let G be a group and let A belong to G with order of A is n, then if AK is equal to identity implies n divides K. N divides K. So by the above theorem, we know that if order of A is n and for AI equal to AJ gives n divides I minus j. So here we are taking I is equal to K and J is equal to 0. That mean we can say in place of AI equal to AJ can be replaced by AI equal to E, and this we can write I replaced K, A0. That means here we can say AK is equal to A0. So by this we can say n divides K minus 0, and this we can write n divides K. Otherwise suppose AK is equal to identity, that is A0, and let n not divide K, then K is equal to n cube plus R, where R lies between 0 to n, and this means I can write AK is equal to A n Q into AR, and this become identity because order of A is n. This means AK is equal to AR, AK is equal to AR, and AK also given what? AK is given identity. So this is E is equal to AR. Now what is the possibility for R? Because R is less than n, so it cannot be order, and here it is showing that R is the order of E. So only possibility R is equal to 0, and if R is equal to 0, then this equation, this becomes 0, and what we left with? We left with K is equal to n q, because R becomes 0. This means n divides K.